Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 C43 AMG. This one's polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 385 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one does come with the exterior lighting package, which is going to give you an LED intelligent light system, adaptive high beam assist. For wheels, we've got 18-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Bi-turbo 4MATIC badging. Black MB Text Dynamica with red stitching interior. Pano sunroof. Coming around back. Rear spoiler. AMG C43 badging. All season and regular floor mats. Power lift gate. Blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, heated seats, ambient lighting, illuminated door sill. An AMG Performance steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push-start ignition, 10.25 widescreen media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, natural grain black ash wood center console, hard keys for media display, keys, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This one does also come with the AMG exhaust. So let's go ahead and put in sport plus and see what it sounds like. Sounds nice. Turn wheel for our infotainment center. This C43 has 4,131 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C43 AMG, check out feldmanimports.com.